So some of the common questions that I get asked when I cover this is, do clients need a separate account for each email or contact? Yes, each person needs an account for their contact. Again, the special case with the spouse is a little bit different, but essentially you want a line per contact, right? That is really, really, really important. And as much as I explain it, I will answer the same question over and over again because it's important to understand that. Does the CSV have to be in order? Remember earlier I mentioned, no, it doesn't. The columns can be in the or chronological order that you want them to be. TaxDome doesn't care about that. A CSV file is a list separated by commas, so it knows to recognize the columns by the name of the column. So it doesn't matter where the column is, TaxDome will identify it. What if I don't have the spouse's email? That is absolutely fine. Like I mentioned earlier, if you don't have their email, you can leave it blank. It will import just a contact name. Maybe you do have their phone number, maybe you do have their address, but you don't have that email. You can still bring them into TaxDome. They'll just not have access to the portal. So tag them as missing email and make sure you bring them into TaxDome how they are. Maybe give them a call or contact their spouse or whatever the scenario may be. Try to get that email from them, because if you purchase TaxDome, you're elevating your business to a more digital based and paperless based way of working and doing business. So hopefully your clients will start getting used to that as well. Okay, so now that we covered the essentials, really, you want to make sure that you understand a lot of the setup. If you don't understand the setup, it really is going to be difficult for you to manage TaxDome. So let's go ahead and I'm going to recap a little bit of what we've seen here. Familiarize yourself with accounts and contacts. Make sure that the entities, it's an individual or a business, or in some cases other. We added a test account in this section. We taught you how to organize the exported list that you have and format that spreadsheet. That's what we want to make sure you understand. And we always want to review this, because if you don't kind of like check mark this on your own as well, again, it's going to be hard to move forward and understand the next sections, right? So make sure you familiarize yourself with this whole setup.